Are you trying to figure out whether Doba or AliExpress is better for managing bulk orders? Both platforms claim to offer solutions for bulk buying, but there are key differences that could make one a better choice depending on your business needs. Stick around till the end to find out which one I recommend and why. First up, let's talk about Doba. This platform is essentially a dropshipping solution designed to connect retailers with suppliers who can fulfill bulk orders. It's a great choice if you're just starting out, as Doba streamlines the process by offering a curated list of suppliers that have already been vetted. Plus, they have a huge catalog across various categories, so you're likely to find what you need. Next thing, Doba integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce, making it easy to manage your orders from a single dashboard. It's an all-in-one solution that takes a lot of the legwork out of sourcing products. However, there is a catch. The platform does come with a subscription fee, which may not make it as cost-effective if you're just looking to test the waters. Moving on to AliExpress, arguably the giant in the dropshipping world. The main selling point of AliExpress is that it's free to use, which makes it incredibly appealing for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. You can access millions of products and connect with countless suppliers, making it one of the largest marketplaces for dropshipping. You can even test products before committing to bulk purchases. However, there are downsides to using AliExpress for bulk orders. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of quality control. Since anyone can list their products, it's sometimes hard to know if you're working with a reliable supplier. That's where things get tricky. While you can find great deals, you may also run into issues with late shipments, low-quality products, and other headaches. The fourth thing to consider is shipping. With Doba, you generally have more predictable shipping times because you're working with vetted suppliers. However, AliExpress offers a wider range of shipping options, which can be both a good and bad thing. While you have more flexibility, it also means you have to keep track of different shipping times and costs for each supplier. Another important point is customer service. Doba has dedicated support for their users, which can be a lifesaver if you're dealing with a problem. In contrast, AliExpress has customer support, but it's not as personalized. You may have to rely on feedback from other users to gauge whether a supplier is reliable, which can be time-consuming and frustrating. The final thing to consider is the fees. As mentioned earlier, Doba charges a subscription fee, which might feel like an extra expense if you're just starting out. But for businesses that want a streamlined experience, it could be worth it. AliExpress, on the other hand, doesn't have any subscription fees, but the hidden costs can add up with shipping, customs fees, and possible supplier markups. Now, while both of these platforms have their merits, I've personally tried both and found that they don't always meet the needs of managing bulk orders as efficiently as some other tools out there. If you're looking for a better solution, something that combines ease of use, product quality, and better management of bulk orders, I highly recommend checking out the free trial in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. It's worth taking a look if you're serious about optimizing your bulk order process and scaling up your business.